earthquake has shaken the community earlier today, leaving residents in shock and raising serious concern about safety. The unexpected tremor has caused fear among citizens and has become the main headline this hour.
At exactly 9:43 a.m. this morning, a magnitude 7.6 earthquake Davao Oriental struck the area. The shaking lasted for several seconds, but for many people, it felt much longer. Residents rushed out of their homes and schools, while employees in school immediately evacuated buildings. The earthquake was felt not only here, but also in neighboring towns, causing alarm across the region.
Right after the earthquake emergency, response teams, firefighter, and local police quickly moved into effective areas to check the situation. The local disaster office has advised us to remain calm and stay outdoors until aftershock have passed. School and offices temporarily suspend activities to ensure the safety of students and workers.
According to initial reports from the authorities, several flash experienced minor damage, such as cracks on walls and falling objects some households. Report broken glass, scattered furniture, and slight structural damage. Fortunately, there have been no reports of major injuries at this time. But energy responders remain on high alert to assist anyone in need.
One resident described the moment.
Lahat ng mga, not just in Davao but also in the whole people of Mindanao, we have to be careful and we have to be vigilant and aware kasi first of all may mga aftershocks pa, no? This is not the first time that it happened in Mindanao kasi way back 2019 malapit ang Pasko, lahat ng mga buwan meron talagang lindol, no? So it may not be impossible na it will be happening again this year, so I hope na hindi naman, pero we have to stay vigilant naman. And to those who are watching, most of the people naman are safe, generally safe, but I cannot speak in behalf of everyone kasi madami ding apektado doon sa Davao Oriental and even some parts of Davao. So